Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I will show you some cool gadgets that are worth buying. In this video you'll see a holographic projection, a gaming booster, and a crazy drone. Watch the video till the end to see all the gadgets, and don't forget to subscribe. Number 1. Run Up. For those whose favorite exercise is running or jogging while jamming to their favorite music or listening to podcasts, the Run Up hairband. This performance audio headband is the future of listening to music and taking calls. Very comfortable to wear. Place it over your head and it will deliver you your favorite tracks with a physical structure called Sound Highway. It converts normal sounds into direct sound waves with minimum sound leakage. The built-in microphone can answer calls and it will warn of any approaching cars too. It is completely sweat-resistant and easy to clean. Just wash it. Number 2. Vortex. The gaming industry is a thing in this modern world, and Vortex is a gadget that helps you to give your gaming experience a big boost. Vortex is the world's first environmental gaming simulator that responds to cues that include a combination of sounds, music, and on-screen colors to produce hot or cold air blasts directed at the player, so you can feel the heat from an on-screen explosion, making the gaming experience more realistic without affecting your real-life health bar. Best for FPS and action games, but Vortex will also respond to practically any full-screen video, including movies and YouTube videos. Number 3. Ultralock U-Bolt Pro. It is one of the most versatile locks with the most advanced smart features. It uses a mobile app that lets you lock and unlock your door from anywhere with your phone, and it has a keypad that lets you use permanent and time-based temporary pins. It also has a fingerprint scanner that allows you to unlock the door with just a quick tap if you are unable to access your phone. With the app, you get a track record of all your lock's activity. The Magic Shake lets you open the lock simply by shaking your phone. Pretty great, isn't it? Number 4. DIY Holographic Projection. Holography is the next stage of photography and conventional film. A 3D hologram displays products, objects, and animated sequences three-dimensionally with the ability to float completely freely in space. This 3D holographic projection, a great gift for the enthusiast who loves 3D holographic projection. It can provide you a great 3D experience without having to go to a Cineplex, so enjoy your favorite movies in 3D in this pandemic situation. It can support smartphones from 3.5 to 6 inches. Number 5. Shinjimoru Cable Holder. This magnetic cable clip is a multi-purpose cable management clip for PC, auto, and office applications. It makes your cable management much more convenient by firmly holding onto your cables in place and will stick no matter where you install them. With the silicone pad supplied, the clips can be adapted to all USB cables between 2.6 and 4 mm in diameter. Use it as a magnetic holder to which you can easily attach small gadgets such as a Bluetooth handset. It comes in 2 color choices. Number 6. Amplim Digital Thermometer. In this pandemic situation, thermometers are a great way to get updates about one's health, and the no-touch thermometers are getting very popular. Among them, the Amplim is at the top position. Its infrared thermometer technology allows for non-invasive, contact-free scans that are more comfortable, hygienic, and easier to use. The smart LCD screens lights up green for normal and red for elevated body temperatures. The sleek and modern design makes it easier to hold and can store up to 25 readings in its memory. Number 7. Cobra LED Bulb. Don't misunderstand with any other normal bulbs, it is a color-changing LED bulb. It comes in a pack of 4 with 16 color variations that you can adjust for brightness. Want to make it more exciting? There are flash and strobe options for the nights. With the remotes, you can dim the lighting and switch between 4 effect modes: flash, strobe, fade, and smooth. Easier to install, just like those regular bulbs, screw it in the holder. It is a solid mood setter for the kids as well as the adults. Number 8. 4D-RC F4 GPS Drone. Even if you don't need to buy one, you have to admit is that drones are cool, right? This is one of the coolest drones that comes at a low cost. It offers stabilized gimbal brushless motors, making it less noisy. The GPS provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone, and the built-in return to home function will automatically make the drone return home precisely when its battery is low. The adjustable 4K 5G Wi-Fi HD camera transmits without delay, providing 110-degree wide-angle 4K resolution videos. Number 9. Tautronics Projector Screen. If you like the idea of watching movies on your camping night, then you will like this projector screen. This is a foldable PVC screen with a black border and black backing, which takes only a few steps to quickly set up and begin using. The screen provides you with a 160-degree viewing angle with a clear and less reflective screen so that you can enjoy every moment of the screen from any angle. You can take it anywhere and set it anywhere, even ground, and it is easy to clean. Number 10. CoreTrack Smartwatch. CoreTrack is a smartwatch capable of tracking several user health activity metrics. It offers a sleek design that's relatively similar to the appearance of the popular Fitbit. CoreTrack analyzes one's movements and categorizes them with its embedded biometric system. Showing the calories burned throughout the day, it can provide insights into your sleeping patterns, monitor text messaging, and calling through vibration alerts. It also offers a waterproof design so you don't have to worry about the sweat, rain, or even wearing it into the shower. Number 11. OV Valet. OV Loop, a technology company, added OV Valet to its growing family of messaging and commerce solutions. It uses its own patented MST or magnetic secure transmission technology to enable contactless payments at 94% of POS systems, making it a perfect alternative in this current no-touching world. The OV Valet can store and transfer payment information to point-of-sale systems with magnetic stripe readers. Just hold OV Loop close to a terminal and press the button whenever you're ready to pay. It is the future of cashless payments. Number 12. Divoom Pixoo. Now this is a gadget that will enhance the environment of your workplace or will be a great addition to your gaming setup. It is a display consisting of 256 LEDs, so it has a resolution of 16 by 16 and a frame of 20 by 20 centimeters. The images are created using an app. Here you can use ready-made pictures or create your own motifs. There are no limits to creativity. It requires a lithium polymer battery. Your works of art can be published and shared via the app. Neat, right? Number 13. Bicycle. Bicycle is the world's lightest and first fully automated smart bicycle lock. It weighs 1/4 of the widely used U-Lock and is completely keyless by using patent-pending Bluetooth technology. It is securely installed on the bicycle's front wheel, and upon leaving the bike, the front wheel will lock itself. It sounds like a loud alarm and notifies the owner in case of theft. Its unique design makes it to fully blend with the bike easily. It also provides cycling data such as distance, speed, and calories burned. Number 14. Ricoh Theta 5. It is the leading gadget in the sector of 360-degree cameras. The Theta 5 is a svelte camera made for impromptu shoots. It features a sleek and top-notch design, making it easier to use and carry. It measures 5.1 by 1.8 by 0.9 inches, that's height, width, and depth, and weighs 4.3 ounces. Dual lenses sit at the top, so you have much room to hold on to. The Theta 5 can record video in 4K and take the equivalent of 14-megapixel photos. With 19 gigabytes of storage, it is a good 360-degree camera if you put quality over value. Number 15. Osquart Laptop Backpack. When traveling, ensuring to keep an eye out for your belongings at all times is essential. That's why the Osquart Laptop Backpack is a good option for you, as it is a super affordable anti-theft backpack with a very modern design. The high-quality fabric is scratch-proof, waterproof, as well as tear-resistant in nature. The zipper of the main pocket is camouflaged in the back of the backpack, giving it the anti-theft property. The total volume of the backpack is 12 liters. This backpack also glows in low light. Number 16. DualSense Wireless Controller. It is the much-anticipated gaming platform Sony's PlayStation 5's controller. It is the best controller Sony has ever put its name to and boasts an innovative design. It is beautifully implemented with next-gen haptics and adaptive trigger resistance. It is longer than the previous version, so gives you better handle and grip. Its buttons are more responsive and have a more satisfying press. A full charge lasts around 10 to 13 hours, so you can enjoy wireless service all day long, so it will surely make your gaming experience a whole lot better. Number 17. PetCube Play. There are a host of nanny cams you can use to keep an eye on your pets as they laze away the day, but PetCube Play offers you the best quality and performance. It simply allows the pet owners to watch, talk to, and play with their dogs or cats from their smartphones. The PetCube Play is a 3.1-inch, 10.7-ounce cube with a solid and modern design. It gives you Wi-Fi accessibility and you can monitor your little friend through the app. It also offers a laser pointer which you can also access from your app and play with your pet from anywhere around the world. A great gadget for pet lovers. Number 18. Yamix Mini DIY Engine Model. If you are a fan of building DIY models, then the Yamix Mini is a perfect gadget for you. This V-twin engine assembly kit is designed based on a V-type twin-cylinder engine, works with an electric motor. The whole model is built from 217 pieces with a metal box, giving you an idea of the professional assembly line process. This will encourage young minds to expand their creativity, think logically, and even refine their motor skills. Can also be a great gift for those motor enthusiasts. It runs on a 500 mAh battery, and the assembly can take up to 3 hours. This ends our list of some cool gadgets that are worth buying. Be sure to like the video and subscribe for more content like this.